Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In today's video, we are going to start with chapter number 13, that is exponents and powers. It is a very easy topic. In 5th also you had studied this topic. Now, power and exponent, if I write that 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, so it can be written in the form 5 is the number which is being repeating. How many times it is being repeating? 1 2 3 4, so that comes here. So it is called, where 5 is called the base, and 4 is called exponent or power. So when it is being read, इसको read कैसे करेंगे? So 5 to the power 4 or 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, every time whenever you read any number in an exponent form or an exponent form, so at that time you have to read that 5, which is the number which is repeating, that will be considered as the base, and how many times it is being repeating, that will become its power or exponent. So when you will read, it will be read as 5 to the power 4 or 5 raised to the power 4. Both are correct. Now it is upon you how you used to say it. The most common is 5 to the power 4. So any number which is being repeating, like if x into x into x into y into y, so how it can be written? Two different variables are there. So first we'll write of x is repeating how many times? 1 2 and 3, means x to the power 3. This I had already told you in the previous classes also. When the power comes here as 3, it is called as cube. जब 2 आता है, it is called as square, that you are already studying in area and perimeter. So when 3 comes, it is called cube. So it is x cube into y square. Okay, so this is how we have to write down in the power form. जब उसको expand करने के लिए बोला, so it will be its expanded form. जब उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोले, तो 5 को 4 times you have to multiply, or whatever power it is being given, that many times we have to multiply. Now this is the positive. When the negative integers comes, at that time you have to be very careful. When the power is even number, the negative answer will become पॉजिटिव. कोई भी एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर ले लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल -2. इफ वी टेक इट्स पावर एज 6, तो -2 का पावर 6 है, उसकी वैल्यू अगर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोलिए, सो व्हाट वी विल डू? -2 into -2 into -2 into -2 -2 into -2. 6 times we will write -2. So first 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 2s are 64 by multiplying only 2. Now the negative sign. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस एंड माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस। तो अगर नेगेटिव इंटीजर कोई भी दिया है और उसका पावर अगर इवन नंबर है देन द आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव। व्हेन द पावर इज odd number of the negative answer will become negative. Okay, when the power is odd number of the negative numbers, answer will become negative. Let us see by example, like minus 3 to the power 3. We will write it as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are is 27, but minus minus is plus and plus minus is minus. तो जब पावर इवन फॉर्म में होगा द आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एंड इफ द पावर इज power is even number then the answer will be always positive when the negative integer is being given. When negative integer is being there and the power is in the odd form, the answer will always come, that will be a negative answer only, means negative integer only. So these are the only few things related to powers and exponent. Rest the whole chapter is very simple. So based on that we'll start with exercise 13.1 in your textbook. It is on page number 252. So let us begin. In first question, first one, we have to find the value of 2 to the power 6. अब बोलना तो आ जाएगा ना, it will be called as 2 to the power 6. It means we have to multiply 2 6 times, 2 to 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We had already done the example here. वहाँ पे minus था, here it is positive 6, so the answer will come 64. Same way, second one is 9 to the power 3. So 9 to the power 3 means 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s are is 81 and 81 9s are is 729. So rest 2 you can do it by yourself. It's very simple, students. Now we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2, we have to express the following in exponential form. Now exponential form, first one 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 it is being given. तो उसको exponential form में हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? So 6 is the base where it is repeating 4 times, so 6 to the power 4 is the answer. Second one, t into t, so the answer will be t square. 2 और 3 आएगा तब याद रखना है, 2 means square you have to say and 3 means cube you have to say. Third one is b into b into b, 4 times b is there, so b to the power 4, easy. Fourth one, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 it is, so it will be 5 square into 7 cube will be the answer. Now the next two sums you have to do it by yourself. Let us move to question number 3 in your textbook. So question number 3, it is given, express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. Exponential notation करके उसको represent करना है. So 512. So we do not know, so what we will do? We will do prime factorization. So 512, so it will go by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 1 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 and 2 12, 2 6 are is 12. Again it will go by 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 6 16, so 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 6 are and 2 4s are 2, 32s are 2, 16s are 2, 8s are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are and 2 1s are. So the exponential form of 512 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. So we'll write it as 2 to the power 9. हमको तो ऐसे पता नहीं चलेगा, that's why we have to find out in this manner. Second one, 343. Again same method. 343 divisibility याद रखना है. 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10, 3 से 9, 5 से भी 9. It will go by 7. 7 4s are is 28, 6 and 3 63, 7 9s are is 63, 7 7s are is 49 and 7 1s are is 7. So the exponential form is 7 cube. Now two sums are being there in that 729 and 3125, that you have to do it by yourself. Again two sums I am giving. Third one is easy. 4 plus 2 6 plus 5 11. Divisibilities अगर याद होगी then it can be done very easily. It is possible, so you can do it, no problem. Now question number 4. Now question number 4, it is given that express the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So first one is 4 cube or 3 to the power 4. Who is greater from these two? So first we'll find out 4 to the power 3 means what? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are is 64. 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 9 9s are is 81. So which one is greater? 4 cube or 3 to the power 4? So 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 cube. This is what you have to do. Simple as that. Second one, it's 5 cube or 3 to the power 5. First we'll find out the value of 5 cube, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 5 5 are 25 and 25 5 is 125. 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81, and 81 3s are, if we do 81 3s are, so 3 1s are is 3 and 3 8s are is 24. So 243 will be the answer. Now we have to compare which one is greater. So 3 to the power 5 is greater. So therefore 3 to the power 5 is greater than 5 cube. Simple, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, just you have to find out that which answer will be there. Third one, it's 2 to the power 8 into 8 square it is being given. So 2 to the power 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64, 64 2s are 64, 4s are is, find out 64 4s are 16, 1, 256. Now 8 square is 8 into 8, which is 64. Now which one is greater? 2 to the power 8. So therefore 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 square. Now fourth one and fifth one, you can do it by yourself. Fourth one, it is 100 square and 2 to the power 100. So in that, just little bit you have to be careful, otherwise it is very simple. 100 ka square means 100 into 100 it will be. Then 2 to the power 100 it is being given. So for that, what we have to do? 2 to the power 100. So you might be thinking that 2 to the power 100 means किस तरह से होगा वो. Okay, so fourth one I am doing it, student, otherwise you will find difficulty. It is given 100 square or 2 to the power 100. So 100 square, that is equal to 100 into 100, which is equal to 10,000. Now 2 to the power 100 means 2 to the power 10 and power of power. The power of power, this is called power of power. 2 to the power 10 whole to the power 10. So 10 tens are power of power multiply होंगे, so it will become 100. So 2 to the power 10 to the power 100 means we'll write 2 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 2 to the power 10 means we had written 2 10 times, और उसका भी power 10. So when you will multiply 2 to the power 10 means 2 10 times. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 and 16 5s are is, sorry 16 2s are is 32. So again ये 5 हो गए. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Now 32 into 32. So 4, 3 2s are 6, 0 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4, 12, 1024. ये किसका आंसर है? खाली ये 2 को 10 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करके ये आंसर आया. अब उसका पावर 10. Now what we will do, 1024 again जैसे यहाँ पे किया था power of power, like that we will do it here also. इसका 1021 power 2, the whole to the power 2 means 5 2s are 10. यहाँ पे कैसे 10 10s are 100 हो गया था, like that. Here it will become 2 to the power, sorry, 1021 to the power 2 and whole to the power 5 means power of power. So now 1024 into 1024 to the power 5. This why we are doing, because here it is 10,000, यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते जा रहे हैं. अगर 10,000 से ज़्यादा हुआ will stop. So 1024, so 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 1s are 2. 0 0 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3. So 1 4s is 4, 1 2s is 2, 1 zeros is 0 and 1 1s is 1. So 6 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17. So 1 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 and 1. तो अभी इसका भी 1 0 4 8 5 7 6, और उसका भी पावर 5 अभी बाकी है, उसको अभी और 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो बाय हियर वी आर गेटिंग मोर देन 5 डिजिट्स. ये हो गया ना 5 डिजिट से ज़्यादा. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट 2 to the power 100 is greater than 100 square. तो इसको भी 5 टाइम्स करेंगे, सो इट विल बी मोर. सो बाय हियर ओनली विल कंक्लूड दैट 2 to the power 100 इज ग्रेटर. यहाँ पे हमने क्यों स्टॉप नहीं किया, क्योंकि ये 4 डिजिट ही था. हियर इट इज 5 डिजिट. 10 square means 10,000. So 5 digit were there. So when we get more than 5 digit, there we can stop and say that which number is greater. Now fifth one, the last one also, that also I am doing, that is 2 to the power 10 or 10 square. Now 2 to the power 10 means 2 into 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Already we had done here 10 times. So what answer we got, that was 1024, and 10 square is 10 into 10, which comes to 100. Therefore we can say that 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 square. So in this video student, this much only. In the next video we'll move further in this exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.